What's up, you guys? So I'm back with another video, and this is gonna be a tutorial on this pink and purple eyeshadow with some pink lipstick. Yes, I'm going to be starting off with my brows done and moisturizing my face with the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula. This shit right here is bomb. So I'm going to be starting with the eyes, and I'm going to be going into this Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. It has a lot of colorful colors, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blending brush, and I'm just going to be applying this in the inner corner of my eye, in my crease, and a little bit on my outer corner, and just really blending this light purple all over my eye. Alright y'all, so next I'm going to be going into a dark purple shadow with a different blending brush and just blending this into my crease and kind of creating a dark line around my eye. You can really see that it stands out against the light purple. After you blend this, just make sure you don't blend this all over the eye. You really want this in your crease so the line could be visible. Now I'm going to be using a flatter blending brush and applying this light pink shadow in the inner and outer corners of my eyes and also a little tiny bit inside of my crease. I know you're probably saying to yourselves like, what the hell is she doing? This eyeshadow is all over the place, but please be patient. You need patience for makeup. So next I'm going to be putting this concealer onto the middle of my eyelid. Don't worry if this part is a little messy because once we blend it out, it's going to come all together. Now I'm going to be blending the edges of the concealer with the light pink shadow we used earlier to apply in the inner and outer corners of our eyelids. This part takes time, so please have patience. I promise y'all it's going to come out nice at the end. Alright, so before we start the face, I applied some falsies and some mascara, and I'm taking makeup wipes and kind of cleaning up all that extra eyeshadow and creating a line so we could really get that slit in our eyeshadow. Yeah, I already know the drill with the face. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation. I love this stuff, and I always get my foundation a little bit darker than my actual complexion. I feel like once you get your exact complexion, it looks a little too light in pictures. That's just from my personal experience. Now I'm going to be taking a damped, clean beauty blender, and I'm just going to be pouncing this all over my face until my face looks even. Don't let me get started on these beauty blenders, ladies and gentlemen. It must be clean and damp. Alright? No dry, dirty beauty blenders around here. And as usual, I'm going to be taking this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and applying this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. And just jamming and blending this. Alright y'all, so since we're in the process of applying this concealer, I'm taking a flat angle brush and some more concealer and basically sharpen up that eyeshadow line so the line could be completely straight and sharp, and I'm making sure it's very even on both sides.
Sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn. You can say what you want under shit.
Alright, so I'm going to be baking my face now with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and not putting too much because we don't want our faces to be cakey. Now I'm going to be taking another blending brush and blending that pink, the light pink, under my waterline to really make our eyes pop.
Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis. With poetic justice, poetic just. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust me? I write poems and these songs dedicated to you.
So if you've been subscribed to my channel, you already know I use the Ulte Beauty Powder Contour Kit and contour my face with the Carity Contour Brush. And I contour my cheeks and my forehead and my jawline. Yo, I almost forgot. I contour my nose as well. Gotta make sure this nose is snatched, like this generation be saying. And don't forget that part. Alright, so I'm going to be taking this highlight palette by Carity Cosmetics and just highlighting my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead, and my cupid's bow. So now I'm taking a matte lip gloss, matte meaning that it dries up, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my lips. This is by Caked Cosmetics. This really does smell like cake, just so that y'all know. That wasn't so hard, right? I hope not. This is supposed to be an easy tutorial. This is great for the summer, especially when you're going out. Like, look at that eyeshadow. It really brings out the eyes. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.